This message was transmitted by the request of the Oklahoma City Police Department. A mysterious creature was spotted roaming around the streets in Oklahoma City. The police has got information about this mysterious creature. It is unknown. All residents must stay away from this mysterious creature. If you see it, call 911 immediately from a safe distance. Stay tuned for any updates on this situation. This message was transmitted by the request of the Oklahoma City Police Department. An Amber Alert was issued for Oklahoma City Police. The police are looking for a child named Sophia Margie, aged 5 and 6 feet tall. She was last seen wearing a flower shirt, blue pants, and purple shoes. She was abducted by the mysterious creature, and we just got information about this mysterious creature. It has cat ears, white whiskers, streaks of blood on the left side of its cheeks and the right side of its torso. A mouth is grinning wider, and its eyes are ovalish. Police has got identified the creature. Its name is Wenda. She is a character from the game, The Sprunkus. She was the one who kidnapped Sophia. All residents must stay away from Wenda. If you see her, call 911 immediately. From a safe distance, stay tuned for any updates on this situation.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the United States News. I'm Paul Dickinson, and we have some breaking news that the mysterious creature, now known as Wenda, is attacking all civilians across Oklahoma City. Then a cat with black clothes is approaching Oklahoma City. We don't know who this cat is. All residents of Oklahoma City must remain calm as this cat is trying to save us from Wenda. That's all I have for now. This is Paul Dickinson, signing off.
This is NBC News. I'm David, and this an update that Wenda is going crazy and killing residents in Oklahoma City, and breaking into people's houses and killing them. The cat with black clothes is still unknown, and we got a reporter Samantha to talk about what is going on in Oklahoma City. What is going on in Oklahoma City, Samantha?
I'm down here in Oklahoma City and it is pretty chaos. As you know, the mysterious creature now known as Wenda is going on a crazy rampage and killing citizens of Oklahoma City. The cat with black clothes is still unknown to as well. This is really a nightmare right before my eyes. I wish this could be a dream, but no, this is a really dangerous situation, and should not be approached. Oh my God. I see Wenda coming at me. I need to get out of here now.
Oh no, Wenda had killed Samantha, but anyways the cat is now identified. Her name is Landon the cat. All residents must stay calm as this cat is trying to save us all. This is David, signing off for today.
This message was transmitted by the request of the Oklahoma City Police Department. Wenda has released gas from the gas station across around Oklahoma City. All residents must stay indoors and lock all windows and doors. Turn off all the lights and do not make any sudden noises, because Wenda will hear you when you're in there. If Wenda had broken into your home, use a legal weapon and call 911 immediately. The cat, now known as Landon the cat, has now released a book of creatures, which are dogs, cats, birds, bears, rodents, and many more. Stay tuned for any updates on this situation. The following message is transmitted by the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. What are the most dangerous cat, known as Wenda, had launched 3 missiles to the United States. 3 states will be nuked, which are New Mexico, Pennsylvania, and New Jersey. If you live any of these states, seek underground shelter immediately. Landon and the gang are figuring a plan how to kill Wenda. Stay tuned for any updates on this dangerous situation.
Welcome back to NBC News. I'm David, and this an update that the nuclear had hit New Mexico, Pennsylvania, and New Jersey. Wenda is in the location now. Landon and the gang are going to find her. Wait a minute, what on earth was that sound? Oh no, Wenda had broken into the NBC News. I got to get out of here now.
Welcome back to the United States News. I'm Paul Dickinson, and this an update that Wenda had broken into the NBC News and killed David, and I have locked all windows and doors so Wenda won't break in. Anyways, many thousands of people had been killed due to her. They were taken to the hospital. The child Sophia Margie was found safe in a hotel. The child abduction emergency has now ended. That's all I have for now. This is Paul Dickinson, signing off.
This is an emergency action notification, requested by the White House. All EAS participate will follow activation procedures in the EAS Operation Handbook for National Emergency. The President of the United States or his destination represented over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. We have interrupted your regular programming. America is under attack. I repeat, America is under attack. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast or cable systems should transmit this emergency action notification message. Station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House. To participate will follow activation of the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in signed areas. This is NBC, who will continue to sever the Oklahoma City area. If you're not in the local area, tune out to stations provided news and information to your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system severing the Oklahoma City area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone line should be kept. The emergency alert system. The emergency alert system has been activated. The following message was transmitted by the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At around 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, an asteroid is heading straight for us. The cause was from Wenda. There is nothing we can do to stop this asteroid. All residents must gather your friends and family to prepare for the end. Stay tuned for any. Wait. Blue Pop, what are you doing? No. This message was transmitted by the request of the United States government. We have some good news. Blue Pup survived from the explosion, and Wenda has been arrested for her crimes, thanks to Landon and the gang for saving us. All residents of the United States, the asteroid is destroyed. I repeat, the asteroid is destroyed, and you can get out of your shelters. However, it could take a long time to repair the damage that Wenda caused. We thank you for participating for the emergency alert system. Normal programming will now resume.